Violence, violence, lawlessness everywhere in this country called Nigeria. Do you know why God sent Prophet Jonah to go and warn Nineveh of an impending judgment? The books of Jonah and Nahum listed Nineveh's sins. 1. Violence and cruelty. Nineveh was notorious for its brutal military conquests and oppressive treatment against the people they conquered. They tortured them, massacred them, and enslaved them. 2. Injustice and exploitation. The city was marked by systemic oppression, exploitation, and corruption. The powerful enriched themselves at the expense of the weak. 3. Idolatry. The people of Nineveh worshiped false gods and engaged in idolatrous practices, violating the commandments of God. 4. Arrogance and pride. Nineveh's wealth and power led to arrogance and a sense of invincibility, ignoring their dependence on God and their accountability to Him. 5. Immorality. The city was characterized by moral decadence and widespread of wickedness, including greed, dishonesty, and betrayal. And the 6th, rebellion against God. As a pagan city, Nineveh lived in open defiance of God's laws, disregarding His authority and commandments. These sins are a replica of what Nigeria is experiencing today. We talk about the acts of bandits, kidnappers, Boko Haram, greedy political leaders, and the like. I will come to that one, not today. But you can like this video, you can share it, and you can give me your comment.